Okay, today we're kitting up Mortal and the Divine from Diamondartclub by Sasha Arts. I'm so excited because I love this kit so much. I'm gonna do like a shorter kit up video here on TikTok, and then I'm gonna post a full one on my YouTube channel. So be sure to check it out. Kit. I've already unboxed it and looked at the canvas and the colors and all of that. So this won't be an unboxing. I literally love this kit. Like, I saw this kit and died. Here's the toolkit and the thank you card, and here's the trading card, collector card. It's bronze. What a surprise. Diamondartclub only ever gives me bronze cards, so I'm not surprised. Like, you cannot tell me that's like not favorite and resand. Like it is. It is. And here is our booklet. 79 colors, so a decent amount of colors. I can't remember what all special drills are in here. I think there's a decent amount of ABs. I see some fairy dust. I forget what the K and the L stand for, so we'll see. I'm not gonna open up the rest of the toolkit. I'm not really a fan of these pens. I do like these, the trays. I haven't looked at this kit since I first got it, and I love it so much. It's so stunning. Oh, like literally, yes, yes, yes. So I have the kit out in all of its beauty. Okay, so I'm gonna kind of go through my process of how I kit up. This is my first time ever doing like a full kit up video, so I'll kind of walk you guys through my simple process that I've started since I've been crocheting since 2019. Or no, I'm sorry. I've been diamond painting since 2019, so this is 7 years of kitting up. I always just do the bulk of the colors first. This is the first set of special drills. It's a yellow, a pretty yellow, it's K444. And then I get them all cut up and I start to kind of like sort them out by color and amount of drills in a bag. Special drill, this is just white ABs. AB 5200. I think maybe these are the electro drills. I forget which ones are which sometimes. These pretty yellow, it's L3821. It's more of a golden. I'm sure this will go on because I think he's wearing a crown. Yeah, I bet these will go on his crown, is what I'm assuming. Here's the next special drill. These purple, it's like a pinky purple. Let me see if I can shake these up to get them. There we go. These are pretty. So for organization for this kit, I'm thinking of using, or wanting to use the Diamond Art Club trays, which I need to get more of these. I only have the one, but I want to be able to get another, because these are my favorite trays, and I want to get another set so I can have over 100, because I have some kits that have like 90 something colors, and I think these will be the best trays to use for those kits. So I need to get a second one. And then since this I think only has 54 colors and there was 79 colors on the kit, obviously I'm gonna run out of room in here. So I was thinking of using one of my tray bricks for the remainder. I keep using my yellow ones. I just feel like these will be good because it's May, spring and summer. And I love this yellow. I love a pale yellow. So thank you, Cateared, for sending me these. I love these so much. And then the next thing I do is I washi tape over the trays, and I'll show you what I mean. For washi tape, I'm using this washi tape with cute little pink flowers. This is from Diamond Art Club, from one of their like big washi tape kits. And this is how I do it easily. I literally just like, I do this over one whole row of it, and I cut it, and I just go like this with my little box cutter. And I'll go through in the end and like flatten it down, but this is just the quickest way that I do it personally. Them all washi taped and ready. Next thing I do is I just pour them into the trays. I work from largest amount of colors to smallest. So I have 3 packs of 310, so I'm gonna try to put all 3 packs of 310 in here. I don't think it's gonna fit, but whenever I have like extra packs, I just keep them in a Ziploc for when I need to do refills. I have my color chart here, so I'm just gonna put that there. Got my colors, got my tweezers for the color chart. So we're gonna do 310, so 310's right here. We're gonna take 310 off. Right on the washi tape. So now when I go to kit down, I could just literally peel the washi tape off and it's not going to leave a bad residue. And because the washi tape stickiness, it's not going to be as strong as, this is a full-on sticker. Washi tape is not as strong as a sticker. So I'm gonna hope there's no static in this kit, like genuinely, because static makes me want to crash out. So whenever I kit up, I always pour over a diamond painting tray, so when I lose some, it's easier to clean up. I got 310 kitted up. We're gonna put it there. I'm just gonna set my extra bag of 310 aside because I'll put it in a Ziploc later. That's how I pour my drills into the trays. It's pretty easy. I'm gonna do a few on camera, and then I'm not gonna do all 79 colors on camera because that would just simply be too much editing for me. So yeah. So I've completely filled up my diamondartclub tray organizers, or storage organizers. So I'm gonna move on to my tray bricks. So here are the tray bricks. I think there's 15 in this box, so yeah. They're super cute in yellow. I think they're so cute. Sheet taping tray bricks. I just take a little bit and I tear it, and I literally just wrap it around and then just kind of just go like that. And it's easy to peel off still. Like, this is my first time having a kit with pink fairy dust. I'm obsessed. It's so pretty. Okay, so I have everything kitted up. I used a whopping 3 storage containers for it. There were a lot of colors in this kit, but I guess I should have thought it out better. But anyways, I'm going to start this after I finish Naughty Space Void, which is my current work in progress. I can't do 2 kits at once. My brain won't allow it. So, yeah. Again, literally love this kit. So, yeah. I'll also post a shorter TikTok version of this. I'll have my socials linked down below, as well as discount codes you guys can use at DiamondArtClub and paintgemsart. Right, thanks for watching. Bye.